It is time to show you guys finally what the S80 V8 looks like with the spacers. Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we are super excited because we finally received the spacers for the S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. So like I said in the intro guys, the spacers have finally arrived. We got the shipment actually last week and I just got to install them on the V8 at the same time that I did the winter tires, because as you guys can see in the background, there's snow already here in Quebec, Canada. We are at the end of the month of November and December is coming along, Christmas and all of the holidays, and all of the parts are coming in together, guys. This is going to be absolutely amazing. Hopefully we can get to finalize the build on the V8 before the end of the winter. There's some technical little things that we might have to do in the beginning of the summer, like the wrap and things like that, because we need actually good weather to install it. But the build is coming together. We have all of the parts for the body kit that have arrived, like mentioned in the last video, and we will be working on the carbon fiber for the V8 very soon. Alright guys, enough of me talking. We are going to get a cold start of the S80 V8. Super cold start. It is a -6 degrees Celsius here already at the end of November, so you guys will get the pure sound of a raw S80 V8 exhaust. Let's get right at it. Alright guys, I got to the destination. It is time to show you guys finally what the S80 V8 looks like with the spacers. These were custom made by Ledger Design back in Saguenay in the province of Quebec. These spacers were absolutely beautiful, guys. I will throw on the screen two little pictures of what they look like when we received them and when to install them, as well as the winter tires. Before I actually show the B-rolls to you guys, please, I'm sorry, the car is absolutely filthy. As you guys can see back here, we have some snow and ice and everything just stuck up on the car, and it's very dirty, so I need to wash it in some time this week. So hopefully you guys enjoy the B-rolls and I'll see you guys right after. Alright guys, so this is it. These spacers are finally installed on the S80 V8. What we chose to do was some 25mm in the back and 15mm in the front. The front space is absolutely perfect, just has to get the little alignment perfectly done so the wheel does fit good in the wheel arch. And in the rear, as you guys can see, it's pretty much cambered in like this and is really wide. We're gonna fix that, don't worry guys. Next Monday, like I said, we're gonna go to a alignment shop that will be doing the alignment for us and fix all of that, make sure that everything's straight, everything's good, so we don't use up the tires all winter, because driving like that all winter, the tires are going to be absolutely bald at the end because we're only using the right side, so the bottom size of the tire. So the rear, like I said, has some 25mm spacers. As you guys can see down here, the tire is sticking out a lot. Once we do get that alignment done, the top end of the tire will be perfect with the wheel arch. I calculated everything before actually ordering them. The front looks beautiful. It's absolutely perfect, not too much out. Again, with the alignment, the top end of the tire will come out a little bit more and make everything just dialed in and look way better. Sorry again guys, the S80 V8 is super dirty. Didn't have time to clean it, but now she looks absolutely amazing. Look at that stance with the Elevate lowering springs and the spacers installed. She looks pretty mean, pretty mean. What a beauty. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for today's video. I know this was a shorter video than usual, but just wanted to show you guys what the S80 V8 looks like with the spacers. Huge thank you to Ledger Design up in Saguenay for making these for us. We were super happy with the final product. It came absolutely perfect. Guys, we are super excited. The S80 V8 build is coming all together. Next up, we're going to be installing some sway bars on the rear to make everything even more stable on the road. Right now with the suspension, guys, little update after driving the car all that time, it is really good. Now the suspension has softened up a little bit, sorry. It is a little bit softer than it used to be, and now like going through bumps and things like that is really good. So super happy with the Elevate lowering springs up to now. Great quality, guys. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See you, boys.